Hello. Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. Sorry about the noise behind me. It's my pressure canner going with some vegetable stock and onion broth. This is what I've got left from those 5 cases of veg. And I was going to can up the cabbage and the Swede, rutabaga, turnip, whichever you call it. But since I'm going to be using them for casseroles and for stews and things like that, I thought I might as well dehydrate them. The carrots, I've got another thing in mind for them, although I keep using some of them, they never seem to go down. My trusty book that tells me what to do, preparing veggies for dehydration. So for both of them, I've got to blanch them for about, well, clean them all up, cut them up, and blanch them for about 3 to 5 minutes. So that's what I'm going to do. I have steamed the Swede for about 3 minutes, and now I'm putting them on my dehydrator. I've got, I think I'll put a few more on it, but they're exceptionally hot. So I'm spreading them out so there's some space in them. And I'll do the others, because as you know I do things in batches. After I've done them, I will do the cabbage. I blanch the cabbage same time as the Swede, 3 to 5 minutes, and put it on my dehydrator. So that's 2 heads of cabbage and 4 Swede, 3 trays each. So I know that they won't dehydrate at the same amount of time, but I'd rather do that than do just them Swede, and then I just want this over and done with it. So turn it on. So I'm 50, let's turn it up to 52 and let it go until they are brittle. So that'll probably be early tomorrow morning. So I'll see you then. And the next day, the cabbage did take longer. I suppose because I've got it quite a lot on the trays, but it's done, and I've got all those 4 Swedes, rutabagas, turnips, wherever you want to call them, into 1 pint-size container, and the 2 heads of cabbage into 2. But they're there now for me winter stews. Thank you. Bye.
It's a perfect